Hello and good evening, children. I'm your Puja teacher, and today I'm here to teach you one very interesting topic, and that is modes of transport. Do you know what is transport? ये transport क्या होता है? Okay, so moving people or goods from one place to another is called transport. लोगों को या चीजों को जब हम एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पर शिफ्ट करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट करना. ओके, और यू कैन से व्हेन वी यूज डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स टू ट्रैवल. सो देयर आर 3 मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये 3 बेसिक मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज एयरवेज. एयरवेज, एयर के थ्रू. ओके, जो हम ट्रैवलिंग एयर के थ्रू करते हैं वो एयरवेज कहलाती है. सेकेंड मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इज लैंडवेज. लैंडवेज जैसा कि आपको इसके नेम से समझ में आ रहा है, इसके साथ लैंड, विच वर्ड वी आर एसोसिएटिंग? लैंड. सो लैंडवेज मीन्स ऐसे व्हीकल्स जो लैंड पे चलते हैं, जमीन पे चलते हैं, उस ट्रांसपोर्ट को हम बोलते हैं लैंडवेज. एंड थर्ड वन इज वाटरवेज. यस, वाटरवेज. ऐसे ट्रांसपोर्ट जो वाटर पे चलते हैं, पानी पे चलते हैं, उनको हम वाटरवेज कहते हैं. सो दीज आर 3 मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट: एयरवेज, लैंडवेज एंड वाटरवेज. एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन इज एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. So, air transport is the transport which fly in the air, and it is very expensive mode of transport. It includes aeroplane and helicopters. Through air transport, you can see your city from above. This is aeroplane, air transport, or airways. Now this is helicopter. Helicopter is also a airways, but it is different from aeroplane. And you know why? Because it has rotators on the top. Can you see these 4 wings? These are called rotators. Okay, and they rotate in the air. And it has landing gears. इसमें gears होते हैं जो landing के time use करता है pilot. Okay, and it can remain still while in the air. They can be landed anywhere. They do not require runway. उनको runway की जरूरत नहीं होती है. This is helicopter. Now this is hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is a type of aircraft, and it is lifted by heating the air inside the balloon, usually the fire. And this is the first ever successful airways. This is hot air balloon. So that was airways. And now it's time to learn about second means of transport, and that is landways. Okay, so now welcome to land transport. As you can see behind me, there are some bicycles. So bicycles are very eco-friendly means of transport because they produce zero pollution. Yes, they produce zero pollution, and we use them to cover shorter distance. अगर आपको पास में कहीं जाना है तो आप अपनी बाइसिकल से फटाफट वहां पहुंच सकते हैं. और जो बाइसिकल्स है वो पोल्यूशन भी नहीं करती है, कोई धुआं भी नहीं करती है. सो दे आर बेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. Bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels. A bicycle has 2 wheels and a seat too. And a seat too. One person can sit on it. One person can sit on it. And a driver too. And a driver too. An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. An auto rickshaw has 3 wheels and a seat too. And a seat too. 3 person can sit on it. 3 persons can sit on it. And a driver too. And a driver too. So this is an auto rickshaw. This is auto rickshaw, very economic and public transport. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. 3 passengers can sit in this rickshaw. This is economic means of transport and this is public transport. Auto rickshaw is a public transport. A car has 4 wheels. A car has 4 wheels and a seat too. And a seat too. 4 people can sit on it. 4 people can sit on it and a driver too. And a driver too. So this is car and it is a landways. It is a 4-wheeler and we use this means of transport to travel from one place to another. Car is a private means of transport. It is very comfortable to travel by car and it uses petrol, diesel and CNG. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, down the busy streets. The conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 ticket. Conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 down the busy streets. Yes, this is public transport. Bus is a public transport and it is very safest and cheapest means of transport. जो बस होती है वो बहुत ही safe और cheapest means of transport है, सस्ती है, pocket friendly है and you can travel from one place to another place. आपकी जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जर्नी है वो आप बस से कवर कर सकते हैं एंड बस इज अ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. नाउ दिस इज तांगा और हॉर्स कार्ट. तांगा और हॉर्स कार्ट इज वेरी चीपेस्ट and popular means of transport in India and many other countries. You can call it horse cart or tanga. And now it's time to learn about one very important landways, which is very economic public transport and that we use to cover long distance journey. And that means of transport is over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious load without a fail. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train. So this is train. Train is a land transport that runs on parallel tracks. It has many compartments and it has berth so that you can sleep or you can relax on these berths. This is very economic and safe means of transport. This is railways. Okay, so that was all about landways. And now it's time to learn about last and third means of transport, which is waterways. And now I'm going to show you waterways. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So this is boat and it is a waterways. Many people can sit at a time on boat. It floats on the surface of water. It is the cheapest means of transport. It is the slowest transport. This is boat. And now this is a ship, a cargo ship. Do you know what is cargo ship? ये cargo ship क्या होती है? A large boat is called a ship or a cargo ship that carries people and goods from one place to another over the water. Do you know what kind of things they carry? They carry coal, iron, aluminium, liquid, oil, and many other farm products from one place to another. So they are called cargo ships. Now this is submarine. Submarine means Pandubbi. And do you know what they do? Submarines are watercraft and large submarines are used for war vessels. जब वॉर होती है, युद्ध छिड़ता है, तब हम इन पनडुब्बियों का, इन सबमरीन्स का यूज करते हैं. एंड स्मॉल सबमरीन्स आर यूज्ड फॉर साइंटिफिक एंड बिजनेस पर्पसेस. दे आर डीप इन द वाटर. ये पानी की बहुत ही गहराई में होती है. सो दे आर कॉल्ड सबमरीन, पनडुब्बी. The means of transport and communication are very important lifelines of any country and its economy. So we should choose them wisely. I hope this chapter has become easy for you to understand. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Bye.